Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound problem on YouTube Kids. So follow and watch this video till the end. Open guys the settings of your phone, click on your apps option and search for YouTube Kids and click. Scroll here down this list, click storage option, click right now clear cache, and after this back click add force stop and click OK. So move guys to Play Store or App Store, update YouTube Kids, restart right now here your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and